Hi guys, we just got fuel. We're ready. She's ready. Rob is ready. It's Memorial Day.
Ready?
Yes, I'm ready. It's Memorial Day and it's a party here in San Diego. It's a party for us. We're really excited. We're looking forward for this 2 weeks. We're estimating 2 weeks. So let's see what's gonna happen. If we're gonna get a lot of wind, if we're gonna get a lot of fish. We're really excited. So, see ya in the ocean.
It's us for the foreseeable future. Where are we heading? We're not heading west, we're heading south. But it's alright, we're going to head out here a little ways and then we're going to tack and then head up a little bit more.
And then hopefully not tack for a while. Hello, this is my first night on watch. It's been pretty calm. As soon as I came in, we had to turn the motor on. We're motor sailing. We're doing about 5 knots and we're pointed on the right direction, which is the most important thing. Seas are calm. We can see the lights, San Diego lights or California lights in the background. There's a big ship on our port side, way far away with some bright lights. The main is stable. It's not that cold out and the bioluminescence is just amazing in the water. A lot of clouds though, no stars. Rob should be coming in an hour. And just like that, we're gonna be completing our first night in the blue water ocean. This is day 2 of our journey. I am on watch right now. We just had dinner a little bit ago. We cooked pasta with salt water, and that was not a good idea. The pasta was super salty. I read a book about the passage or the paddle of Amir Klink in 1984 on a canoe. And he cooked all his food with salt water. And I'm like, oh, let's cook the pasta with salt water. And that was not a good idea, so don't recommend it. Sun is about to go down. It's still cloudy. We still have the motor on. We're hoping to reach the northerly winds soon, so we can start making our way south, sailing instead of motor sailing. Today Rob saw a whale, and he was right next to the boat, so super cool. I missed it. I was sleeping. I haven't got seasick. Rob hasn't got seasick. We have had headaches though. We are eating and drinking lots of water, so maybe it's the just getting adjusted to this life for now. Of our shifts, we're doing 3-hour shifts at night and 4-hour shifts during the day. But after you get some sleep, it works out very well. We get to do whatever we want while we're on watch. We can read books, watch movies, eat. So it's pretty nice. I'll show you around. There's nothing out there. Rob should be coming up in about 2 hours. I'm just chilling up here. It's not that cold. And we're super excited to get to Hawaii in like 12 days. It's a long ways until then. For now, we're enjoying ourselves. There's the ship going away. Watch out for the big boys. You can try 12. Huh?
Sailing vessel, this is merchant vessel. What is your present position?
We are currently about 2 miles off your port side, falling behind you guys.
Yes, I see you.
Yeah, good evening. We just wanted to check to see if you guys were able to pick us up on radar.
Yes, Roger, we are able to pick you up on the radar.
And that was all. We appreciated Sailing Vessel Iwa out.
Thank you, safe sailing.
1-3, bridge to bridge.
1-3.
Might be bridge to bridge. I gotta double check that. But I'm pretty sure 1-3 is bridge to bridge.
Well, good to know that they saw us.
Yep. The other guy goes, "Yes, we have you on radar." I was like, motherfucker, I'm too close to be on your fucking radar. I can see your eyeballs. That's how close you are. Look out your fucking bridge. I'm right there. And then he was like, I was like, I'm gonna maintain course and speed. He goes, oh, okay, Roger, maintain course and speed and we'll deconflict.
That's not what
Like,
happened.
No, that's not
Yeah.
what happened. That's not what happened.
I mean, we should have seen him coming, but I guess they should have seen us too.
But that's the point, is everybody's supposed to see each other. But they have better sensors, they have more people. That's still not an excuse by any means. But I think ours was, we were right at a shift change. We were at a shift turnover.
Right.
We were both downstairs.
Yeah.
We were both groggy.
Yeah.
I was downloading weather, and then I came up and went, ooh.
Well, yeah, and it was the night that was super misty and cold, and
Yeah.
we kind of slacked on our
We were tired.
our 15-minute, 20-minute checks.
We were really, we were exhausted. That's a good one. Yeah, we were exhausted. That was the second night? Third night?
I don't remember
I don't
anymore
remember.
either, but
Yeah. It was right as dawn broke.
good
though.
wake-up call for us.
Yeah, cheap lessons. Still low clouds. down. I think it'll pick up. We'll hit 20s. At some point, we're going to hit 20s tonight, so leave the reef in. What's a couple 100 miles between friends?
Right.
Yeah, we're making close to 200-mile days. 8.5, 9s over ground. Sometimes it drops down to 6.5s in the when the winds die. But we have a couple rolls in the jib. We got a single reef in the main. We're on a beam reach. We're gonna be on a beam reach for another day or two. And then we start dropping off a couple of degrees on the compass, and then it'll start coming behind us.
I wonder how many more ships we're gonna see on the way down. This is the second one.
The funny one is, do you want to see them or do you not want to see them? That's
I prefer not to see them,
but also it's nice to see them. Like,
yeah, because they're letting you know, hey, we're out here.
Yeah, they're lit up light. They're lit up bright though. They run with all their lights on. They don't run dark like we have our single tricolor light on. That's it. And our festive
and our
LED
party
bulbs.
lights.
Sometimes our party lights, depending if it's a party. But,
Well, you know, a party's gonna go down on the berth because I'm off my shift. See you later.
Thanks for watching our channel. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and click the subscribe button. Check back in for the next video as we continue our passage from San Diego back home to Hawaii.